Alisha, Ankit and now Priyanka is live at the crime branch. Priyanka, I was told that there were no arguments there by the Mumbai police. They virtually could say nothing. They could say nothing, they could prove nothing, and yet Vikas Kanchandani has been sent to police custody for 2 days. Priyanka, can you tell us what happened inside the courtroom, please? There is a lot of anger across the entire country. Can you tell us what happened in the courtroom today? Priyanka.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Arnav, because earlier as well we had been tracking whatever had been going on in the courtroom, and the police had been asking for a remand for 14 days. And this is also very shocking because earlier as well Vikas has subjected himself to this partial custodial interrogation as well. Over 100 hours he has spent inside of this crime branch, exactly where we're reporting from, exactly where he has been taken even a few minutes back. But even then, the police had been saying that they wanted a remand for 14 days. But of course, they had not been able to justify why they needed these many days for interrogation of Vikas Kanchandani, who had been coming to the crime branch every now and then and subjecting himself and giving statements and completely cooperating with the entire investigation of the fake TRP scam. And earlier as well, we have been seeing that others like Ghanshyam Singh, like Anuj, like you yourself, Arnav, we have seen the kind of vendetta that these entire Maharashtra government machinery has been launching against each and every of the Republic TV media network.
Priyanka,
but you know, let's just...
Priyanka, we have been apprehending this. And when we have been saying that we apprehend that the Mumbai police is unfair, we apprehend that the Mumbai police breaks down due process of law, many people have scoffed at it. But today, this has been proven correct. The man has been abducted at 8:30 from his house without papers. We have apprehended this, Priyanka. We have known that this government in Maharashtra and the Mumbai police does not believe in any due process. But there is one thing today. Ankit, Priyanka and Alisha are reporters on the field at the crime branch. I know that there are many people asking today, what is the mood within Republic TV? What is the mood within the network? Is our spirit broken? Has our confidence been affected? Will the growth of the Republic Media Network stop? Will we limit ourselves? Will we leave Mumbai? I want all four of you where you're standing today. As these pictures show, let us all collectively put a V sign on the camera and let this still image go as a reminder to the unfair and evil forces in the Mumbai police who think they will intimidate us. I want us all to collectively put a V sign out. We will win this, Priyanka, Ankit and Alisha. My brave reporters on the field. Reporters who are pushed out of press conferences because they are not part of the Lutyens group. I want you to put a V sign today because this is our answer. Put a V sign, Priyanka and Ankit. Let this be our answer. Let this be our answer. Let this be our answer to Parambir Singh. Let him see my reporters put a V sign out. Priyanka, hold your hands up. Let us put a V sign out. We will battle this, for we have done no wrong. For we will win not just now, we will win in days to come.
Absolutely.
We will win in days to come. We will prove them wrong. Victory is on our side and the law is on our side. Will we be targeted because we exposed the SSR truth? Will we be targeted because we showed the Palghar truth, my dear reporters? Because we refused attempts to cut deals? Because we don't cut deals in the past many months? Because, you know, Ankit, Priyanka and Alisha, because we don't compromise. Alisha, you were there when I was in Alibag jail. You came to see how I was. Were there not attempts made to reach out to us to make us compromise? We say today, Republic will not compromise. We will win and we will win big because the original complainant refused to falsely implicate the Republic Network. You know why Vikas is being targeted? Because Ghanshyam was lashed. Chakki belt se usko mara tha, Alisha. But he still did not wander from the truth. This is the spirit of Republic TV. Parambir Singh, see this. This is for you. This is for you, Parambir. The truth is coming out and the truth will get you. Parambir Singh, the truth will expose you. The people of India will watch everything that you've done wrong, every illegality you've committed. will be exposed before the people of India.